Hello everyone. No, so let's try to solve this type of problem. No, unsay tirada ani na problems for our rotating na vessel. No, so right tayo. So lagyan natin this is rotating na vessel. Yan. So let's start to read the problem. No, so lagyan natin A. Tools. Ito. No? So, paano mag-undo yan? So, let's try to read the problem. An open cylindrical tank having a radius of 0.3 meter and a height of 1.2 meter is filled with water at a depth of 0.9 meters. So, let's try to draw first, no, the problem. So, you have a cylindrical tank, no? You have a cylindrical tank. Pasensya na sa drawing. Ang cylindrical tank nimo is na siya radius na 0.9, no? Kung radius siya yung 0.9, maingon na to na kare siya is 0.6, di ba? Then, ang height na to is 1.20. Yan ta. H is 1.20. Tama? Then, filled siya water. Water. Assuming na mauna siyang water. Na. So, let's call this HW or the height of water. So, filled daw siya 0.9. No? So, mo na ning problem na to. No? So, the first question given to the problem, how fast it will rotate daw. So, ganito kabilis ito mag-rotate. No? If half daw ng volume niya is spilled out. No? So, A. Half ng volume. How fast daw. So, in terms of RPM, half of its volume ang nawala. So, kung sa to, ang volume niya, no? So, we have a volume which is pi r squared h, no? So, given with that, pi 0.3 squared and then our height which is the 0.9. Pila ni na volume. So, mo initial na volume ha. So, pi 0.3 squared times 0.9. So, we have 0.0.25469 cubic meter. No? So, ano ta? Morning initial volume. Then, gingon, ang half daw. Half niya ang nawala. So, i-divide mo ni og 2. No? So, divide mo og 2. Thus, the volume, lagay natin dito, V half is equals to 0.1272345. May shortcut pa ni pero dirita. Para at least magets na tong concept ba. Cubic meter. Na, no? Now, technically speaking, kung ang height ani niya is 0.9, thus if kalahati ang imong volume, thus kung h half kalahati ni 0.9 which is pila 0.45 meters, no, technically speaking, pero palisdan na to tong sarili Pangitao na to si H para at least kabalo mo kung sa pud mangita kay H, no? H. Sorry, ano to ang wait lang. So H. Pasensya na. So H. Now, having the H, mo na yung pangitao na to, di ba? So, let's use the formula of the V is equals pi r squared H. Gamito na to si H using the volume and the radius. So, 0.12723, di ba? Tama naman, di ba? Gets. Is equals to, so equal siya sa pi times, pasensya, nagkakaroon talaga yung ano ko. Yan na lang. 0, pila yun eh, 0.3 squared. 3 na, 0.3. Hindi na, 1. 3 squared H. No? Having na i-shift solve ni mo na, no? H would be 0.45 m. No? Muna na. So, na tayo H. Given na natong H. Muna itong na-solve so far. So, ang ginapangita na to, kisa to si RPM. No? So, since kabalo ka, nakani siya, i-plus lang ni mo ni siya sa height. Siyempre, may natapon. So, ibig sabihin, ang height ng magiging parabola mo is above the height ng cylindrical vessel. So, ang height ng paraboloid mo is pagiging above pa ng height ng cylindrical vessel. Thus, 1.2 plus itong 0.45. So, equal siya kay 1.6. No? Pero ginaround 1.6 na lang siya kay ginaround down ako na. No? So, 1.6 meter na lang y na to. So, y, having said 1.6 equals W squared, di ba RPM ang hinahanap? 0.3, yeah, 0.3 squared over 2 times 9.81. No, makuha na nato. Kalkyo na to. Makuha na to tong W na naka-radsec is 18.676. 676. Pero naka-radsec pa to ha. Radsec. We need to multiply it by 1 over pi over 30. Gets? So, mo na yung solution so far. So, you can see, mo pa lang na solution so far. No? Having that said, pag multiply ni mo, you will get the final answer for the RPM, which is 178.34 RPM. Tama? Yan. Nakuha natin yan. Baksa natin. Pasensya na sa handwriting. So, this is the answer for our A. Na? Let's go with our B. Try natin mag-B. Asan yung taas to? Dito. Sige, dito. Galaw natin konti. B. Yan. That's the question for our B. What do you think? How fast will be the rotated? How fast it will be rotated about its vertical axis so that there will be no water will be spilled no? So, gano'n ba siya kabilis mag-rotate, no? Para wala na yung water daw na ma-spilled out. Ang technique ani na pag-solve is pangitaon sa mo si Y. Now, we have the formulas here, di ba? H over 2, if it is lower, if it is lower than H water, our formula would be 2D. For our Y, no? Y, 2D, right? Pero, if H over 2 is greater than H water, or the height of the water, ang formula na to dira is H over 2HW. Now, let's check the condition. No? H over 2, what is the height? 1.2. Diba? Tama. Let's see. Let's check again no para sure ball. Tayo magkamali. Oh, 1.2. 1.2. 1.2 over 2 is equals to 0.6. And the height of the water is 0.9. So, it means, mo na itong gamiton, 2D. So, y is equals to 2 times pilan D. And D is the height of the air. No? Pila bang height ni air? So, technically speaking, 0.9 yung water sa 1.3. So, 0.3 ang naiwan. So, 0.3. No? So, 0.6 ang ating y. We have the y. Move forward. Getting the RPM, 0.6 is equals to y squared. 0.3 squared over 2 times 9.81. Pila ang hatag sa itong answer? 11.44 na rad. Tama? So, W is equals to 11.44 rad sec times na to og unsa? 1 over pi over 30. Thus our RPM, or it is rotated by 109.21 RPM. No, nakasolve na tagduha ka problem. Taas kay solution no. Naka-situation man god. So next is C. What is the question kay C? Let's read it again. So screenshot nyo na lang. Ano yung solution na to? Ay. Tama na. So far. Next, how fast it will rotate? Pag zero daw ang pressure, no? 0.0 pressure with 0.2. So, ano ni siya? Draw sa na to ha, para mag-gets ninyo eh. Para maintindihan ng lahat. Ay, hiwi. Ulit. Diba this is 0.6? Tama? So, ano na siya? So, morning ginaingon niya na 0.2 or 20 cm, di ba yon? O 0.2? O, 0.2. Okay, patuloy tayo. So, ganito yung tira niyan. Palatandaan ko is big equals H plus small. Palatandaan ko to ha. Ano yung akong palatandaan. So, pag yun na big, W squared times kisang big na diameter. 0.3 squared over 2 times 9.81 equals pila tong h or the height of our not the parabola, the height of the cylindrical vessel 1.2. Tama? Plus w squared times 0.2 which is the small squared over 2 times 9.81. Tama? So we will get the W which is 21.69 times 1 over pi over 30. Excuse me. Our W would be 207.22 RPM. No. So, ganyan yung atake ng problem na to or the situation. So, muna yung solution. Muna ang solution niya. Tanan-tanan. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.